Hello students, welcome to class 4. From today we will start our computer classes. In class 4, the first topic which we are going to discuss is MSW logo. MSW logo is basically a very simple programming language which is used for teaching students how to write down small programs to make your computer work according to your requirement. Let's have a quick introduction. Logo. It is a popular computer program used for drawing different figures on the screen using simple commands. The commands which we are going to use in Logo, they are also called as primitives. How to start Logo? But before starting Logo, you need to install the Logo program in your computer. Along with this video, I'm also going to share the installer, the exe file of the Logo installer in the Google Drive. You need to download it and install that program in your computer. Once the program will be installed, then you can start Logo by clicking on Start button, select All Programs. Under All Programs, you will get the option called Microsoft Windows Logo. And under that, again click on Microsoft Windows Logo. You can see the Start menu will appear like this. There is one alternate method as well. On your desktop, you will see a MSW icon will appear. You can double click on the shortcut icon to open Logo as well. Once you will start Logo, this kind of screen will appear. As you can see, this screen has two different parts. The first part of the Logo screen is called as graphics window. This is the area where actually you are going to create your images, your drawings. The second part of the screen is called as commander window. This is the place where actually you are going to write down the Logo commands to make your computer follow them and draw. Under this commander window, there is two distinguished parts. One part is called as input box. This is the place where actually you are going to type your Logo commands. Under the recall list box, you will see all the Logo commands which you have already given to your computer to execute. Once you have written the Logo command in the input box, you can execute it either by clicking on the execute button or by simply clicking on the enter key on your keyboard. In the graphics window, at the center, you can see there is a structure, a small triangle. This particular structure is called as turtle. And this place on the screen where this turtle is present, that is known as home of turtle. Now, what is this turtle? This turtle is basically work like a pen, which will make the drawing for you. It has got two parts. The upper pointed part is known as head and the flat lower part is known as tail of the turtle. Always remember that tail of the turtle is basically holding the pen for you. Means the tail of the turtle will make the lines for you. Now, this Logo software, why we have selected Logo? Because it's a very interesting language. First of all, it is very simple and it is very easy to learn. You can draw many beautiful figures by using it. You can use Logo for doing various kind of calculations, to print messages. Even you can write down small programs to make your computer work as per your requirement. In today's session, we are going to learn few Logo primitives like home, forward. In short form, we can write it as FD, back or BK, right or RT, left or LT, clear screen or CS, CT, or the full form is clear text, height turtle, short form HT, show turtle, short form ST, and the most important one, by. So now let's start our MSW logo. As you can see, we have already started MSW logo. This is our turtle. This particular area is the graphics window, and this is our commander window. This is the input box where we will type our logo primitives. You can type the logo primitives in small or capital letter. It doesn't make any difference. Okay. The first command which we are going to use is called forward. Forward, the short form is FD. Forward is the command which will make your turtle move towards its head. So after the command FD, give a blank space and then you need to write down how many steps or how many dots you want the turtle to move in forward direction, that is towards its head. Suppose I want that the turtle should move towards its head by 60 steps. So I need to write down FD space 60 and either click on the execute button or press enter key. As soon as you will press enter key, you will see that your turtle will move towards its head by 60 steps. Steps means small dots by which the turtle will make a straight line for you. So what the FD command does, it moves the turtle towards its head. The second command is called back or BK. It is just opposite of FD. Like FD moves the turtle towards its head, so BK will move the turtle towards its tail. Now from the current position, if I want that the turtle should move towards its tail by 100 steps, then I need to write down the command BK space 100 and press enter. Can you see? From its current position, the turtle moved towards its back, towards its tail by 100 steps, and while moving, it has made a straight line. You can turn the head of the turtle in right or in left direction as well by giving the command RT and LT. So with RT, again, you need to give a blank space and then you need to mention the angle by which you want to turn the head of the turtle. So I want to turn the head of the turtle by 90 degrees. So I am writing RT space 90 and just simply press enter. Can you see? The head of the turtle turned on the right side. Always remember, the turtle can move only towards its head or towards its tail. So if you want to make any horizontal line, you need to first turn the head of the turtle in that particular direction. Otherwise, the turtle will always make a vertical line. So if I want to make a horizontal line, the first thing which I need to do is to turn the head of the turtle. So I have already turned the head of the turtle towards the right side by 90 degrees. If I make a horizontal line, then I need to give the command FD space 100, enter. Can you see? The turtle has made one horizontal line of the length 100 steps. You can turn the head of the turtle on the left side also. For that, you need to give the command LT, like I'm giving LT space 90, enter. Can you see? The head of the turtle turned on the left side by 90 degrees. Always remember, the RT and LT command will turn the head of the turtle from its current position, not from its initial position. Now I want to make one more vertical line, so I am giving the command FD space 100. Can you see? Now let's finish this and make it a box. So I'm again turning the head of the turtle by giving the command LT 90. The head of the turtle already turned. Now make the line by giving FD 100, enter. Can you see a perfect square is there on your screen? Whenever you want to turn the head of the turtle, you need to first decide whether you need to turn it on the left hand side or on the right hand side. The easiest way is to just imagine one wall clock. If you want to turn the head of the turtle in clockwise direction, you will always give the command RT. And if you want to turn the head of the turtle in anti-clockwise manner, then you need to give the command LT. Now, once the drawing is finished, let's clear it. Let's erase it. For erasing the drawing from the graphics area, you need to give the command clear screen, or the short form is CS. Enter. Can you see? The drawing which you have made is already erased. The list of commands which you have already used, it is present in the recall box. If you want to remove them also, then you need to give the command clear text, or the short form is CT. The turtle which is present on the screen right now, if you want to make it invisible, you will give a command called HT, hide turtle. Just press HT and enter. Can you see? Your turtle is vanished. But it doesn't mean that it won't work. If you will give the command right now, it will execute your command, but you cannot see the turtle right now. Again, if you want to see the turtle, give the command show turtle. The short form is ST. Clear? Now, right now, can you see your turtle is not present at the home position? If you want to bring your turtle back to the home position, you need to simply give a command called home and enter. And your turtle will come back to the home position. Remember, except FD, BK, RT, LT, we don't use any step number or angle number with any other command. To close MSW logo, the command is BYE, B-Y-E. So let's finish it for today. Bye. Thank you for watching the tutorial. As you can see, working in MSW logo is quite easy. I'm giving you few set of commands which you can execute and see the result. And along with that, I'm giving you some activity to do and get it checked by your parents. Thank you.